Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. It got windy today in the Coastal Bend. Gust over 30 miles an hour here in town, 32 in Kingsville. Similar values out to the west. So the winds picked up, but so did these clouds, as you can see right here, and that held our temperature down a little bit today to 94 degrees. You can see the clouds on our Skycam right now. And again, that's helped out in the temperature department just a little bit. No rain out of those clouds, though, because of the intense winds. The evening forecast, we've got the beautiful full buck moon out tonight. That comes up around 8 o'clock this evening over the bay. Watch for that. Temperatures will be settling to the 80s with winds going from 20 down to about 12 miles an hour. And then holding in the low 80s right on through daybreak, even though the winds do settle down to around 10 miles an hour. It's going to be another very warm night as it was last night at 81. We'll be there again tomorrow morning, 79 in Robstown, 76 for George West and Three Rivers, with low 80s along the immediate coast and near the water's edge. For tomorrow then, 81 starting out, 92 at noon, and 93 sunny and windy at 5 o'clock tomorrow. The highs tomorrow look like this. Will range from 88 in Port Aransas, 91 at the Naval Air Station, to 101 out in Freer. This is pretty normal for this time of the year with the wind blowing. There's the satellite showing those high clouds working through. Otherwise, it would have been a little hotter today, flowing into low pressure and a trough of low pressure up in North Texas, out of high pressure in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. Post-tropical storm Barry is now over the Ohio Valley, still causing rain from Mississippi all the way up into Indiana now. And they've had nearly 5 inches of rain in Memphis, Tennessee, which has been parked out to the west of them most of this week so far, with a frontal system up to the north. And there's the low associated with the remnants of Barry now in the Ohio Valley. High pressure over us, though, with the dry air and the reason for no rain. So here's the high. Again, that big dome of sinking air across the region, and it stays put through Saturday. But watch what happens by the time we get to Sunday and Monday. It moves out to the west. That gives us a northwesterly flow. That's actually going to send a cold front down into central Texas. It won't actually push through here, but that's going to change our weather pattern a bit and bring below normal temperatures to an area that's been very hot. We'll still stay above normal here, but we're also looking at above normal rainfall. This is on the 8 to 14 day outlook from July 24th through the end of the month. So that's coming beginning the end of this weekend and into next week. The tropics continue to be all quiet. A little bit of disturbed weather down here near the intertropical convergence zone, but way to the south. This system we talked about yesterday continues to get sheared apart in the Caribbean. All right, here is your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 81 tonight, 94 windy again tomorrow. 95 here on Thursday, 94 for Friday. We will warm up as the winds come down on Saturday and Sunday, 95 to 96 there with a heat index 106 to 112. And yes, next Tuesday, that is scattered showers on the 7-day forecast.
The rain dance worked.
That's our next shot of rain next week, middle of next week.
All right, we'll be looking forward to that for sure.
All right.
Thanks, Dale.